So today I'm going to show to you how to invite your students to a class, create a classwork, and also find out some features in Google Classroom. To invite your students to a class, you need to invite them or give them a code to join. So you can find the code here, class code VTDAJOX. This is just a sample. Remember that students can enroll themselves from classes. If they unenroll, their grades are removed. So in addition to that, there is also another way on how to invite your student without giving a code. So if you will just look at this part, people, you click this, and then you click this add sign with people, and then add sign, you just click it, and then you will type here the email or the Gmail of your student. And aside from this, you can also add teachers in your group. Once you added the students, it will appear here that you can also add their parents if they have their own Gmail account too. So now we will proceed in classwork, but before that, I want to share to you about the use of stream. So stream is just used for announcement. For example, if you want to announce something that is very important or any updates about something or deadline or maybe inspirational video or short videos in the morning, but no grade associated with it. So we will proceed here in classwork. So we will create a classwork. Just click this one. And then I usually do the quiz assignment. You can also use assignment questions. For example, if you want to do reflection only, reflection question, like one question only, material, or if you want to reuse your post and you have the topic here too. So I will stick to quiz assignment. I'll click this, and this is what will happen. So here in quiz assignment, we can write type a title. For example, module 6, lesson 6 to 7. And then here in the instruction, you can type like, dear fourth grade parents and student, it depends on what grade level you have. Or you can also type that this assignment is due May 29, 2020. You can also include the video lessons here. You will just copy the link from the YouTube or whatever resources you have and paste it here. And also you can also add Google Slides for more explanation of the lessons. And don't forget to give the instruction on what you want from your student to do. And also very important to include, like, please turn in here the activities or the math worksheets or the Google Slides. And then now you have two options. If you want to create something that is already here, you don't need to go to your drive or to whatever resources you have or it is saved. You can create right away here. And then me, I usually have my worksheets prepared. So I click the add, and then usually my worksheets are prepared in Google Drive through Google Docs or Google Slides. And if my co-teacher shared to me the link, I'll just copy the link here or any link in any website or file when it is saved in your computer desktop or in documents or downloaded, or if you have resources from YouTube. We will try to do it. For example, Google Drive. Okay, this is my lesson. It's already here. You just click the lesson that you save. So this is Google Slide, and then click the add. And then we have here a sharing settings. You can choose how to share this file with your class. Don't forget to check the setting of your Google Slides before you upload it. And then it is already uploaded. So this is very important to click this part. If you want your student to just view the file, click this one. If you want them to edit the file, click this. And if you want them to make a copy for each student, so each student will have a file, for example, the answer worksheets. This is very important, so I'll just click this. So if your students will check their worksheets in the Google Classroom, it's automatic that they have a copy. All of them, each of them. They don't need to make a copy for themselves. Now let's try if I want to add from the file. From the file, click this, and this is what will appear. Drag files here or drag files from your device, from your computer, desktop, downloads, or documents. Just click this one and then click whatever your activities or worksheets. So we will cancel this. And then how to add videos. As long as you have the link of the videos, you can upload it. Or you want to do it in YouTube. Example, this one. So we are here in YouTube. But since I opened the YouTube already, so it is already prepared. Let's say we're going to go here. I want to do this lesson about fractions. Okay, so I will highlight this, click, copy, and then go back to your class. And then here, space. Why do you need to do this? So it is easier for you to find what you are looking for. Because if you're just gonna type here, it will take you sometimes more time to do it by picking the right video. So once we put the link here, we will just click enter or the search. So it's already here. There are no other videos here. And click this one until the ad will turn into blue, and then click add. So it's already here. Now we are here. We will also discuss about this thing here. You can assign it today or you can schedule it. You can save draft, you can discard draft. So if you want to do like in advance, you can schedule it. If you schedule it, you just going to choose the time and the date and then click schedule. So if you're not going to schedule it, like assign for Mr. Yan's class and then for all students, let's try to click. I don't have student yet. So it will automatically for all students, but sometimes there are options here if you have all your students and if you want to give like intervention materials or additional practice worksheets in math for those students who are struggling in it, you can click those students. There is an option that is not necessary that all of them will take the assignment. And then it depends on how many items. For example, my items is only 1 to 20, write 20. So this is very important to write the points or it is graded. You can also write 0 or blank if it is ungraded. But for me, I prefer to write a grade because a student will be interested or they know that they need to do it because it is graded. And then you can write, if it's up to you if you want to write a due date or if you don't want to write a due date. Example, me, I want to write a due date 1 week. Or if it is daily activity, if you want to do it the next day or only today too, it's up to you. And also include date time. This is just an example. And then I don't have topic yet. I will create a topic. Since I am a self-contained teacher, so if this is math, self-contained teacher, I'm teaching all the subject in 4th grade in my class. So math topic. The rubric, if you want to give, you can create your own rubric or you can reuse rubric from any resources that is allowed to use or you can import from sheets. So usually and you can in create a rubric, you can copy paste from whatever curriculum resources that you have. Like here, we're using the 4-3-2-1. The 4 is the highest, the 1 is the lowest. So once everything is okay, you check everything, then you are ready to assign it. So here, if ever you made a problem here, like you forgot to click make a copy for a student, you click students can view file, but you need to make a copy for each student. And then you assign it already, I think there's no other way that you can edit it again. Because once you assign it, make a copy for each student will not appear here, only these two. Student can view file and student can edit file. Another option is to just repeat the assignment. Delete it, repeat it again, and do make a copy for each student. So we are here, assign. It's assigning now. So there you are, you have the math. For example, if you want to do, or before we proceed to that, we have here, you can edit, delete, or copy link too. For example, if you want to do ELA, quiz assignment, okay, let's say for lessons, journeys, edit, lesson 30. So whatever lesson you want to include, it's up to you guys. And then you want to add something here, and then here, no due date. Of course, you're going to add instruction, you're going to add some worksheets here or video. Create a topic, I will write ELA. And then I will add a sign. Let's see what will happen. So you have ELA here. Now, if you want to write or if you want to include science, I'm doing it in my class by subject. Oops, I made a mistake here. For example, water cycle. And then we're focusing on topic now for the meantime. And then I want to create topic. And I'm typing science because the lesson is under science subject. And then I would click assign. So you can see here, you have science, you have ELA, you have math. If you want to do it by quarter too, it's up to you. If you want to do it like in a separate, whatever is convenient to you, it's up to you too. Now let's go here in classes and calendar. In calendar, you can, this is a great way to like easily, for you to easily access the lessons or the any announcements or like a meeting. And in to do, it will appear your students here, if how many turn in and how many didn't yet. If not yet turn in, it will include here in sign in. And once you check it or you read it, mark as reviewed. So it will appear here in reviewed. And you can see also some classes here and some settings like how you manage to, not all students can comment or post, like you have some limitations too. So let's go back here and let's go to grades. So I have nothing to grade here yet because I don't have a student yet, but if you have a student, their work will appear here whether they finish it or not, and you will grade it. The last details. So I think this is it for now. So thank you guys for trying to watch and listen to my video. I hope it helps you a lot. Till next time, happy sharing, happy learning. Bye.